Political analyst Akashdeep Muni joining us on the broadcast. Akashdeep Muni, at a time when talks are going on, Somnath Bharti, one of the top leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, coming out to say that it was a selfish alliance with the Congress in Delhi.
No, see, whatever the statements of Somnath Bharti is very true at the sense regarding Delhi, because the experience in Delhi, specifically he fought the elections and he knows the grassroots reality, how Aam Aadmi Party supported the alliance, and the same support was not given by some leaders of Congress party who have shifted to Bharatiya Janata Party, like Arvinder Lovely. Now, his statement is true. There is no contention between Congress and Aam Aadmi Party at present, and the seat sharing talks are going on, and soon you will see at 1 p.m. Today there is a press conference, so soon you will see a fruitful solution will be out and the numbers will be decided. Yeah.
Okay, so the numbers will be decided based on that, you're saying. But you know, the BJP has been saying right from the start that the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress are ideologically completely opposite. They are at war with each other, but they want to be together just to defeat the BJP. So what do you think the message goes, it is that the message going out, especially considering the people are also watching? On one hand, you have seat sharing talks. On the other hand, a leader says that this is a selfish party.
You know one thing, the statement of Bharatiya Janata Party shows that it's an opportunistic party. Just imagine in Haryana what happens when a Hindu Brahmin is killed in terms of because of cow meat smuggling allegations. Now this is the reality of Haryana. There are a number of problems: electricity, water supply, water logging, number of problems. But they won't speak regarding that. What they will be speaking about is Congress and Aam Aadmi Party. What they have done in Haryana since last 5 years, have they been fruitful in that or not? Let them give their report card. Why they are not giving their report card? Because they know they have failed. And this time, you take it in written, in Haryana, Congress and Aam Aadmi Party will be forming the government.
Okay, all right. Thank you for joining us with your perspective on that. The Aam Aadmi Party calling it a selfish alliance, but the alliance talks, on the other hand, still continue. But it's not just the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party that are facing these turbulences. All is not well within the BJP camp as well. The party has been hit by a spate of resignations after leaders were denied a ticket for the upcoming polls. So former State Minister Bachan Singh Arya joined the list of party leaders who have now quit. He was hoping for a ticket from the Safedan Assembly constituency, but the BJP decided to field the JJP rebel Ramkumar Gautam, who joined the party earlier this month. In fact, battling back-to-back resignations, Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini said that the party is making efforts to placate the leaders who are now upset. Sabyasachi continues to stay live with us. Sabyasachi, so on one hand, you have the Aam Aadmi Party, Congress trying to stitch up an alliance and facing several roadblocks, but on the other side, it's not smooth sailing for the BJP. The claims are that there will be anti-incumbency and there is also a clear divide within the party.
Well, absolutely. See, if you talk about the BJP list, after the BJP list came out, a series of resignation took place within the BJP camp. And current situation is not good as far as the BJP is concerned in the state of Haryana. Now, several of the videos, in fact, of the leaders who have not got ticket or who have resigned, in fact, certain of the leaders were seen whipping after their name was not mentioned in the list. Now, this has given an ammunition to the Congress party and the Aam Aadmi Party to attack the BJP, stating that there is a situation of Bhagdad within the BJP camp after the list has came out, and this shows that all is not well within the BJP camp. Now the Congress has been continuously hitting at the BJP, stating that the current situation is in favor of the Congress party and it is going against the BJP. Meanwhile, the BJP leaders who have released the list from the state of Haryana have focused on all caste equation as well as anti-incumbency, and clearly the leaders leaving the party is a worrisome situation as far as the BJP is concerned.
Okay, all right. Sabyasachi, thank you for joining us with those details. But the BJP says that we are making all efforts to placate those who are upset. Listen in.
जो लोग नाराज हैं मनाने का प्रयास किया जाएगा जी।
बिल्कुल मना रहे हैं उनको।
सीएम साहब बराड़ा साहब
उनमें गुस्सा है, बिल्कुल मना रहे हैं। बराड़ा जी काम करेंगे और इसी क्षेत्र के अंदर लोगों के लिए वो वोट भी मांगने की अपील करेंगे। और भारतीय जनता पार्टी है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी एक मुश्त होकर के तीसरी बार सरकार बना रही।
I am the future that was born 100 years ago. I am the purpose that emerged with India's independence to be a force for business that makes doing good our business. Towards an independence where knowledge sets us free. To think big and achieve bigger. To take India to the world and the world to India. Creating pathways of self-reliance. To stand for progress, the planet and the people. Towards a future made perfect. And be a force creating abundance. Because independence is not a moment in history. It's a never-ending path to prosperity. Aditya Birla Group, a force for good.